Okay. So what is a double equator operator? To check double equator operator to check your ID basis, to check your strings, check your numbers, check your any kind of information to only address purpose to equality operators. Got it? Yeah. You know comparison strings and this is topic is removing spaces from the string. How to remove? For example, this example. Remove spaces. Yeah. Yeah. But only I will show you this example.
You can change instead of Madrasi. That is Tamil, not Madrasi.
Who Madrasi?
Not Madrasi. Madrasi is means just few kilometer set of people only. You can say Tamil, Tamil in
I'm not saying who is Tamil. Who
suggestion. Okay.
okay. Yeah. You also Tamilian. Hyderabad?
Yeah, yeah, not Madrasi.
Okay. Hyderabad.
Mm.
Okay. I have 1 year my spent Hyderabad. Uh, which place? This is a I don't know, but is high tech city. You know high tech city?
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah, I
Mhm.
already 1 year job. High
Oh,
tech. Yeah.
okay. Mhm.
Okay. So finding substrings. No. Finding substrings. No. This is a topic is removing spaces from the strings. So we can use the following three methods. How to remove spaces? Use three methods. First is R strip means to remove space at right hand side. R means right hand side. Okay. Second is L strip to remove left hand sides and strips to remove space both sides. Okay. We can use following three methods. Removing space between strings. Okay. So how to remove spaces? Okay. So city, input your city name. Okay. S by city equal to city because city is a variable. City, this is variable. To input any city, to city is variable. To assign a city, this is called third variable. Assign dot. Dot, this is a symbol to call current object. Strip. Strip is a function to use functions. For example,
Excuse me, sir. Your
yeah,
screen is not.
yeah. Acha, not okay. Yeah,
हाँ, नहीं देख रहे.
okay. Visible.
हाँ, visible हो.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, city is a my variable name. Enter the city from users. Okay. SCT, SCT, city assigned to a variable SCT. यानी कि any kind of city to assign city. City input any city to strip. Strip used to strip function used to remove space both sides. Okay. SCT. If SCT equal to Hyderabad, तो hello Hyderabadi adab. अच्छा मद्रासी चेन्नई. Okay, you say see. Okay, yeah, got it. Elif so SCT Chennai. So hello Madrasi. Vanakkam. Madrasi not a Tamil. Okay, Tamil. Vanakkam.
Yeah, Tamil.
Okay, Vanakkam. Yeah. Elif. So SCT equal to Bangalore. So Canada. Kanna. Okay. Oh, जो भी हो. I don't know.
Actually, Tamilian.
Tamilian?
Tamil. Yeah, Tamilian.
Tamilian.
Or Tamila.
Tamilian. Okay.
Tamilian.
Tamilian.
E
You understand?
E-A-N, not I.
Okay. Okay.
I-N. Or I tried that. Okay.
Okay. Bangalore. Okay. Else your enter city is invalid. Okay. S strip. So then this code and enter your city name. Singapore. Okay. Spaces. So Singapore is defined it. S city is Hyderabad. Hyderabad? No. Hyderabad, this is condition false. S city Chennai, this condition false. Bangalore, false. This is else part 2. Print your entered city is invalid. Okay. Enter. Yours entered city is invalid. So if I say Hyderabad, spaces, okay, space, enter. Why yours entered city is invalid? Spelling is right now. Hyderabad.
D is missing, sir.
Why? Why getting
D,
that?
D.
Okay. So my mistake. Okay. Hyderabad. Got it? Hyderabad. Right now. Hyderabad. Spaces. Enter. Hello Hyderabadi Adab. So remove spaces. Check it. How to remove spaces? Copy, paste, and space 1, 2, 3, 4 space, and copy 1, 2, 3, 4 space. Hello Hyderabadi Adab. Remove two spaces, both sides. Got it? If say Chennai, same. Bangalore, same. This is same results. If you want to other cities, this is spaces. Spaces between this and this. This remove and print your Hyderabadi Adab. Got it? Not get it.
Okay.
No. Any remaining people? Fayaz, Krishna, Sovik, and और कौन बचा है? Who is remaining? Okay, Krishna, Sovik, Fayaz, Neela. Only for students. Okay. Yeah. This is a finding strings, finding substrings. So finding strings means we can use the following four methods how to find substrings. For forward directions, and forward direction is find second index. For backward directions, two functions are rfind and rindex. Go to left to right, so use find and index. Forward direction, and go to right to left for backward directions, so rfind or rindex. So first is find, s dot find substrings. Only example, this is a syntax. Okay, returns index of first occurrence of given substrings. If it is not available, then we will get -1. Means if not finding your substring, so will not get error, only get it -1. Got it? This. Yeah. Yeah. So s of a variable, learning Python is very easy. Okay. So s dot find Python. Where is Python? Positions. Okay. Only define a positions, only output the position. Index value, to find index value. Okay. Print s dot find Java. So Java, this is not. Java is have to 4 versions. Which versions? Java is 4 versions. So which one? Anyone? Neela? Java is 4 versions. Allow 4 versions. Which version?
4 versions.
4 versions. This is first one, Java. This is mid Java. Third is Sadke Java. This is funny. This is funny. Java is 4 versions. Java is a more popular object-oriented programming language. Pure 100% object-oriented programming language. Java. Most popular in Java, but Python is high-level programming language. Because Java and Python is a server-side scripting language, and Java is also server-side scripting language. But Java's code very lengthy, so load performance is very high, and Python is bit comparison small code. So server side not a problem, and server side load performance very low. So Python is very fast. Not a okay. Print s find of r, यानी कि only single characters. Find the substrings only single characters. So r is 1 and 2. Okay, positions. R is 1 and 2. 2 positions. So okay. How it is output? Yeah. So 9. So 9. So 9 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Because P, if you want to find the first character, so this is a result is only first character. Python. So P is Python only. 9 characters, 9 index, number of 9 index. and s dot find Java. So ना तो J है J. This is only find first character, not a second character, not third, not fourth. Only but this is first character find. So J is not present in this string. So result is -1. Not a false, not a error, not get it error. Only this is find rules. This is the best rule in Python. So not get error, only -1. So result is false. Print s find of r. R means 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Only this one, only one r. Other many r is not count. Only was first r. So left to right. Only this left to right. Okay. If I say L, so what is result? Okay. The L find, R find. Okay. S dot find. So why did it get error? Because okay, backward direction. Yeah. R find only. No. R is not allowed. L find is not allowed. So only find index and find or index. This is forward direction, and for backward direction is only R find or R index, not a L find or not a L index. So this is get error. Okay. So R only find only one, not a many R. So only R is third position. So R is third position. Get it? Not a count this not a count. Okay. But how to count R characters? How many times in this string? So that is use of count functions. So I will teach you further. Okay. So 21. So SR find 21. So R find means backward. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So what is output? R is 21. So which one 21? Can you tell me? Why is 21? Why 21? Why coming 21? Anyone? Okay.
R is an 11th place.
Sorry.
Counts 0 to 21.
21 is
When search R find.
R find means this is a R find. R find. This is
Yes.
for backward direction. Means
Okay.
so.
Excuse me, sir. It is backward direction, but it is calculating from left to right.
Okay, yeah. I will show you left to right. Okay. Count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Why right to left? Because what is already shown now. R find, R index. Okay, R find for backward directions, for forward direction. This index and R find. Okay. And I means R find. R find. I will say S. $26. Yeah. 21, 24, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. But this is my not a problem. Okay. I will find it. Next, I will or R&D. I want R&D, but R find is only backward for backward direction. Okay. So this is result only forward. यानी कि this is forward directions. This is forward, left to right. R find. But why I show only this character? Okay. I will find next. Sharing push.
Sir, we are getting a PyCharm only.
This is PyCharm.
Yes, sir. We are getting PyCharm only, not
Okay, yeah. Okay, I will find why we this R index, R find. Okay, R find. If I say R index, I will use R index. R index. Same 26, 26. Okay, शायद maybe not problem. Why is this screen sharing? Push. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Only 4 directions. 4 forward directions. He means 4 directions. I will clarify. Okay, yeah, find. S find returns index of first occurrence of the given substring. If it is not available, then we will get -1. So understood? By default, find functions method can search total strings. We can also specify the boundaries to search. Means s.find. Okay. Connections. Okay. So examples is how to show. Yeah. So S found. S finds. So okay. A of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. We are also forward direction. S find of.
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा.
Okay. Screen में दिख रहा है. Yeah. अरे yeah. Okay. Yeah. Visible ना? दिख रहा ना?
हाँ सर.
sir.
S of ये हटाओ इसको। Okay, so W. Okay, 7 and 15. C and I. So what is this output? 3. So 0, 1, 1. Why is 3? W is 0, 1, 2, 3. So W is coming 3. So find the index number of 3 and find of C. C 7. यानी कि 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 15 means 7 to 15. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means 7. Start 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15 means E to I. So E to I between 7 to 15. So define C, E, E, E to I. So define C only between this string to define the 7 to 15. To 7 to 15 to define E, where is E? E. So count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So your C is called. That means I want only C. Find this string only between 7 to 15 words. Only 7 to 15 index value. So 7 is E. 7 is E. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is E, your E. And 15. 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 15. 15, so I is there. Okay, but I defined after I equal to C. So same C. So output is again 3 because not a count this C, only count this C. So result is 11. Understand little bit, not a pure, only little bit understandable.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ, sir.
Can you change the C value?
Yeah, tell me.
Can you change the C value
Okay,
from
okay.
C to S or R, like
Okay, yeah.
in second line?
Second line. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, S. Okay, S.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, S, na? Sure. Between 7 to
Sure.
15 character. Between 7 to 15, okay? Then enter. Position is 9. Okay. So how it's find? 7 to 9 characters. 7 is E. Okay. 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is E. So E is here. And 15. So E 1, 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I, E to I, between E to I, where is 7? where is S? So E and 7 is here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is S. If I say your answer is T, T Z, okay? Z is not defined, this is string. So I will say this is -1. Because, why -1? Because 7 to 15, 7 is E and 15 is I. So I and E between not Z. Z is present here, this string, between this. Can you tell me? Z
No,
is
sir.
present? No.
No,
So
sir.
so no string, no alphabet. This is a -1. I same this same position. Where is I? 7 and 15. So E and I. So E is there and E is here and I is here. So this. So where is I? So I this area. So 0, 1, 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, sorry. 7 this year. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 this I. So I is 14. So I is 14 answers. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay. If I say next example, I will show you. S1 equal to Python. Okay. But only I will say find T only between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only between 3 and 5. So this is result only 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 and 4 and 5 and 2 and 1 and 0. This my string only find between this value. So T is not defined between. So we'll get -1. Okay. This is output. Got it now?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is an index. Okay. Find is done. This is an index method. So index method is exactly same as find method, except the if the specified substring is not available, then we will get value error. That means only one major difference. Only difference is uh, find and index. Only one difference. That is, if your substring is not present in their string, so that is will get error -1. And this is your index not present your strings. So this is value error. Value error. This is a major difference. So this is same. Index method is exactly same as find method, except that if the specified substring is not available, then we will get value error. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can you please reconnect again, because meeting is remaining 320, 328, 26, because this example is very complicated. Very means small complicated, because very large time to understand. So can you please reconnect again?
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Nila, again reconnect. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.